can't see that one, I don't know that. That's my father there. See how I got that now? I can find them straight away. Yeah, that's my mother. I can see the television too, so I can see it a lot better. When I did the other things, it bestowed me confidence. I've never been able to do anything for at least 4 years. It's given me a new lease of life in one respect, because my eyes is very poor. I'll have to put a blade in this first. Wire in. I wired all that up. Put the wires in that. Just little jobs like that, it just make everything clear. It's just as though I'm back to what I was before. My eyes were in bad now. It's a pity I couldn't drive.
Well, see you later.
Sign up for a trial at www.give-vision.com.